Hi everyone and welcome in this new tutorial of Newbie Matter. Today we are going to explain two core functions of the lookup family. We are going to explain how to better use and combine the index function and match function. We're going to use as always Excel 2016, but this guide can be followed even for previous versions of Excel, of course. Let's begin by opening the file I've prepared. Okay, now as you can see you might face a large database like this one. And what you may want to do is to filter data on your likes, or to easily find a specific value since the database might be too large to be checked with bare eyes. For this, index and match functions can come in handy. Before I show you, let's prepare the file in order to make this function combination very static and dynamic. First of all, I'd like to show you that the best way I was thinking of combining and making these two functions more dynamic is by adding two drop-down lists. One for the country and one for the year of choice. So in this case I'm going to data and data validation, and then I'm going to choose list. In the source I'm going to select all the countries that I'm going to check. Okay, now I can check all the countries. For example, I'm going to select Texas, and the exact thing I'm going to do even for the years. Data validation, list, in the source I'm going to select the years. Okay, for example, I'm going to select the year 2014. So what match does is to specify where the located inside the table is the value that you are checking for. For example, if we use this function to check the location of Texas value in this data range, it will be located second in the list. So let's test it. I'm just going to type equal sign and then type match. Lookup value is going to be Texas. I'm going to put a comma sign, and the array I'm going to choose are going to be all the countries. Then put the comma sign again. Since I want it to be exact, I can type 0 or I can choose exact match in the formula, close the parenthesis, and then enter. So as you can see, Texas is the second. If we choose another country, for example Ohio, it will be the 7th. Okay, so this is the same thing for each country over here. In the other side, what index does is to match what value we'll get in the exact combination of so-called coordinates. And if we combine the two previous match results under the same function with the index function, we get the GDP value located in the range of the whole table. But first I'll do the match even for the years. I'm just going to type equal sign and then type match again. Lookup value is going to be 2014. The array are going to be the years. Comma sign again, exact match, close the parenthesis. Okay, so now I'm going to do the index formula, which is the combination of the coordinates. As I mentioned before, I'm just going to type the equal sign and then type index. The array that I wish to make all the checks is going to be this array over here, the GDP basically. Okay, and I'm going to put the comma sign and then enter. Okay, since I haven't combined any formula, I'm just going to put space so I can combine both formulas. Now as you can see, it's not a formula anymore, it's just a text in a cell. Okay, now I will combine the formulas together. I'm just going to select the formula I've done here, match, and then in the index I'm just going to paste it, and then put the comma sign again. I'm going to the second match, select it, copy, go to the formula, and paste it. I'm just going to remove the space I put it before the formula. Now, as you can see, both formulas have found it that Texas has the GDP. So in the year 2014, Texas, which is the second on the list, has the GDP $845,000. So we can check that yes, it is. So this is the both combination for index and match. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for other videos. Thank you.